Today we're going to take a look at 3 available Huntington homes in the Fields, Frisco. These under construction homes will be move-in ready later this year. Let's take a sneak peek.
We're at the Fields, Frisco. I want to share with you another opportunity to get in now while they're still in the construction phase. This one will be 5 bedrooms, 5 full baths, 3 half baths, as well as a 3-car tandem garage. Construction will be completed in November for this one. Along the road, you can see multiple that are in the construction phase and already sold. This one is already occupied. Multiple across the street are occupied. Another sold here, occupied. It's going fast. You want to get in while you can. Contact me at the information on the screen. I can get you more info on this one. For now, let's take a look at what it will be.
Down here is the front of the home, which flows in and has the study on the left, which flows into a private office. The opposite side is the front bedroom with the ensuite bath. And walk-in closet. Continuing in is the main living area with the open concept design into the kitchen, as well as the prep kitchen. On the opposite side are your sliding glass doors to your outdoor living space, with the outdoor kitchen on one side and the fireplace on the other. Back inside down the hall, opposite of the stairs, is the media room. And next to the stairs is the half bath, with a linen closet right next to it. At the end of the hall is your 3-car tandem garage, your laundry room with cabinets, space for your washer and dryer, and a sink at the end. Opposite of the garage is the primary suite with a large size bathroom with split vanities, freestanding tub, and a huge shower. There's the toilet room with a nook for storage and the large primary closet. Going upstairs, going from the landing, there's 3 different bedrooms, each with ensuite baths and walk-in closets. In this hall, there's a study area with storage, and then if you continue down this way, there's the curved banister looking into the main living space. Continuing down the hall past the next bedroom is the hall half bath, right next to the game room. In the game room, there's a built-in wet bar area, and on the other side is your covered balcony looking out to your front yard. This was the layout of the Giselle floor plan. Each lot can have slight variations, but this gives you an idea of what'll be there.
This is the front of the house with the exquisite entryway. Along the front walkway, it leads over to the pergola seating area. You can cross the street and get on the PGA trail. We're overlooking the PGA golf course. And right over there, you also have a seating area with a pergola to be able to enjoy the breeze and hear the birds as you're looking out to the PGA golf course. This is another Giselle floor plan being built that'll be ready by the end of the year. You can see the current state of construction. They're getting the ground floor built up. Take a look at the floor plan.
This home uses the same Giselle floor plan that we looked at with the first home. There might be some slight differences depending on the lot, but this gives you a general idea of the layout of the home.
It's an easy stroll over to the Brookside clubhouse, and right across the street is this sitting area with a nice pergola and trees. Reach out, I can give you more details of this one, as well as tour the area. Let's get an aerial view.
Here's an aerial view of the Brookside Club. They have a playground, pools, meeting area, a gym, and tennis courts with a lake behind it all. And here's what it looks like to walk through the club.
This home at the Fields Frisco will be ready in August. It's the Catalina plan with 5 bedrooms, 5 full bathrooms, 3 half baths, and a 3-car garage.
At the bottom is your entryway. Just inside, there's the front bedroom with an ensuite bath and walk-in closet. Opposite of that is your study with a private office. Continuing in is your main living space. On one side is your media room, and on the other is the open concept design into your deluxe kitchen with a prep kitchen as well. Also off of the main living space are your sliding glass doors to your outdoor living area with a fireplace on one end and an outdoor kitchen on the other. Continuing past the stairs down the hall is your hall half bath with your laundry room and a sink and door out to your 3-car tandem garage. Down the hall is your primary suite flowing into your primary bathroom with dual sinks, toilet room, walk-in closet, shower and tub area. There's a half bath here labeled pool bath. Even though there's no pool, sometimes they'll label it this way if it's more accessible than others to get to from the backyard. Going up the stairs, the landing flows into the game room with the wet bar. On one end is your front upstairs bedroom with an ensuite bath and walk-in closet. And in the other direction, there's the half bath right next to the game room, a hall linen closet, the next bedroom with an ensuite bath and walk-in closet, and then the last bedroom with an ensuite bath and walk-in closet is at the end of the hallway. This is the general Catalina floor plan. There might be some slight differences depending on the lot, but this gives you a general idea of the layout of the home.
This one is also by the tennis courts over at the Brookside Club. Here's my contact info again. Reach out and let's take a look together.
This fully featured master plan community is minutes away from major attractions such as the PGA Golf Course, the Star, the Universal Kids Resort, and so much more.
Reach out and let's make your dream home a reality.